welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I came up with this makeup look. It has a little bit of pop of green in inner corners. The inner corners has a little bit of shimmer as well, so it just brings a lot of attention to your eyes. So I kind of want to show you guys how it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see like shimmers. It's yeah, so I really do love the whole eye look, you guys. It really came out so pretty. I used a couple things. I used the Subculture palette, it's this one right here, and also I used the Fenty Beauty palette. These two together have beautiful shades. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video and welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy. If you guys want to subscribe, all you have to do is just click that red button on the side of the video and it will subscribe you. And you can also hit the bell button, which is going to notify you when I upload videos in the future. So anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you want to get this look, just keep on watching. First, I am going to put a powder underneath my eyes because I'm going to be using a couple of shimmery eyeshadows. This is going to set your under eye, but as well it's going to catch all the fallout from the eyeshadow. So I know it looks really weird, but trust me, it works. So to create this makeup look, the first eyeshadow that I'm going to go in with is going to be the color Roxy. It's a nice orangey type of color. It's going to be like the transition shade. We're going to apply this all over, and I am using Morphe M510 brush. Honest to say, this palette is really a good palette. I mean, the eyeshadows are very pigmented and you don't really need a lot to create a nice eye look. I only see maybe a little bit of fallout, barely, with this color, so I don't know what was the whole problem with the palette. I think it's very good and it works perfectly fine for me. The next color that I'm going to be going in with is going to be the color New Wave. It's this beautiful, almost like a yellow color. And I'm just going to apply that on the outer V. It just intensifies it a little bit more. So I'm going to intensify the outer corner a little bit more, and I'm going to go in with a different brush just to pack on the color, and I'm going to be going in with the color Fudge. It's this brown color over here, and we're going to pack that at the corner. By the way, the brush that I used was the E17 brush. It's a more dense bristle, so it's going to pack on the color where you need it to go. I'm going to go in with the M441 brush, and I'm just going to blend everything together. So I'm going to go back with the color New Wave, and I'm just going to kind of blend everything together, just to bring it up a little bit. We're gonna smoke it out. Try not to bring the brown color too high, just enough at the edge right here. So I'm gonna create a cut crease. So I like to go in with a concealer to do this, and I'm gonna be using a tapered brush like this. This one is from e.l.f. I believe. I got it a long time ago, and on my hand I pretty much put the concealer, and I will grab just a little bit and I will do the cut crease like this. So you want to kind of check in where the hollow of your eyes is. So if it's right here, that's where you want to focus the concealer, and we're only going to focus halfway from the eye. So now that we have the cut crease down, I'm going to go in with the color Untamed. It's this beautiful, almost like emerald green color, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes on top of the cut crease that we've created. And you can go in with a flat brush if you need to first, just to pack on the color. So you can go with the flat brush like this, and you just want to pick up a little bit there, and you want to kind of focus it where you apply the cut crease. Next palette I'm going to use is a Fenty Beauty palette, and I'm going to be going in with the color over here. It's this one. It's more like a greenish tone. I think it's called Planet X. So I'm going to spray my brush first, and this one's a very beautiful emerald green color. Now I'm going to go back to the Subculture palette, and I see like the green is very vibrant. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to smoke the edges out a little bit more. I'm going to go in with the color Roxy. It's this purpley color. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe M23 brush, and I'm going to grab this color over here from the Fenty Beauty line. This one, I think this one is called Ozone, and I'm going to apply it on the arch of my eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm also going to add that color to my inner corners. So with the same brush, I'm going to pick up that same color. Every time I do my eyeliner, I always have to hold my breath. For some reason, it's so hard to do, guys. Eyeliners just give me anxiety. Every time I do my eyeliner, I get so anxious because I feel like I'm gonna mess up. And I know it's not that serious, but it takes me a very long time to do my eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with the E36 brush. This one's also from Morphe. And I am going to go in with the Anastasia palette back again. I'm going to go in with the color Roxy first, since that's what we used for our transition. I'm going to drag it underneath here. So the same thing that we did to the other eye, we're going to do. And I'm going to go in with the color New Wave. And then I'm going to go in with the color Fudge. So now I'm going to be ready to put my eyelash extensions. You guys already know that my favorite eyelash extensions is the 614 eyelashes by Salon. Perfect is my favorite ones to use. I'm going to go in with the Duo Eyelash Glue. And just apply a little bit on my hands. The eyelash extensions really take a very long time. So I'm going to wait for that to get a little tacky. So I'm just going to bend it just to get it to the shape that I want to get it to. And wait until it gets tacky. And we're going to apply. So now for my bronzer, I already contoured. You guys know that my NYX Wonderstick is my favorite contour to use. So for my bronzer, I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Powder Bronzer. This one is one of my favorites that I've been using for a very long time. And I really love how it looks on my skin. It gives me a little bit of warmth and chisel my cheeks. I like to put a little bit underneath my chin, and just makes your face look a little bit thinner. I'm not really a blush person, you guys, so when it comes to blushes, I don't really own a lot of blushes. But if you guys know any products, any blushes that you guys want me to try or whatever, just let me know in the comments down below. I would love to try those out for you guys, but I don't have a blush that I'm loving right now. So I'm gonna go directly with my highlight. So I'm gonna be using the Molly Glowing Goddess Luminizer, and it looks like this. It's a little messed up. It broke a couple days ago and I had to kind of fix it. So I will use a flat brush. I'm going to be going in with the Morphe 438 blush to apply my highlights. So like I said, you definitely want to go to the highest point of your cheeks. I'm going to also apply here at the arch of my eyebrows. And just a little bit. Don't go in too harsh with this because it is very, very intense. And a little bit on my chin. Also on my cupid's bow, because that's what I like to do. That's it for the glow up. And now that's pretty much it, you guys. That's pretty much what I do for my whole eye look. I'm gonna just go back to the setting powder and just go back and maybe intensify the bronzer a little bit more. Just like that. And I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit. I am just gonna try a nude lip because we have a lot going on with the eye. So the one I'm gonna be trying is from Tarte. This one's called Bestie, and I'm gonna apply that on my lips. You will see how it looks. It looks pretty good. I do like it. Definitely leave it matte, but if you want to go for more of a gloss, you can definitely go with the Hourglass. I have the Hourglass lip gloss. This one's called PRR. So maybe I'm gonna go in with this one from Tarte. It's called Paarty for my blush, and I am gonna be applying it with this brush from It Cosmetics, and we're just gonna go in just a tad bit. So now I'm going to set my face, and what I like to use for my setting spray is the Morphe setting mist. I like to use this. I also like to use the All Nighter by Urban Decay, but I have this on hand right now, so I'm going to use this one, and I love it because it just gives you a fine mist and it just feels very, very refreshing. So that pretty much concludes the whole makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love how the eye look turned out, and if you guys want me to do more makeup tutorials, leave them down below in the comment box, and I will certainly do more makeup tutorials for you guys. And look at the highlight, you guys. I really love the highlight. This is a really good highlight because look at the intensity that it gives. So pretty, and it's inexpensive. I know it's not an expensive brand, so you can definitely get your hands on. I think I got this from the drugstore, so definitely give this a try. I'm sure that you're gonna like it. It reminds me a lot of the Master Chrome by Maybelline. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell button so you guys can be notified when I upload future videos. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.